this modern era, man without a machine is nothing. Machine, what is machine? Man requires machine because there is no work which machine can do. But man himself cannot do many kind of works, such as lifting heavy weights and doing such a tasks which are not possible to go a man to a particular place to another place. For example, a cell phone. A cell phone is a device also known as machine. It is useful for talking with some other person, but he cannot go many miles or kilometers to the person and can talk with him.
Yes, it is right. But without man, machine cannot build man. Man has the ability to think, but machine cannot.
Yeah, man has the ability to think and make a machine, but he cannot do small kind of works such as cleaning the ball bearings of a fan. He cannot clean a ball bearing of a fan with his hand. He has to create some machine. So machine plays a major role in man's life. Machine without machine.
Do anything without doing a man.
It is right, but without creating the machine by man, machine also cannot work.
Yeah, how many times do you tell
It is
that?
the turn of doing or preparing a machine by the hand of man.
But man can not some works. But we use the machines to do that type of works. For example, a borewell incident was happened there. A child fell onto borewell hole. But how can he save? We save the child by using the machines.
No, why we can't use a rope? We can use a
But he is small child.
How can the small child can assess that a rope has come to save him? He cannot assess. He cannot inhale the oxygen, which he cannot inhale the oxygen. So machines are useful to send oxygen inside the hole for inhaling of oxygen for the small child.
Due to the technology, there is a lot of problems.
But the machines can also do anything.
Not only machines. What about the
For example,
adverse effects of it?
Adverse effects. Why do adverse effects happen? Adverse effects happen because of human errors. Human errors have to be minimized. Human errors are again the negative point of a man. If he do not take care of his own life, which the machine takes care every time, then it will adversely affect that man only. It is not the mistake of machine. It is the mistake of a man.
Then why should technology be created?
Technology should be created. Why should technology be created? If you are here or wearing a glass and seeing me, if you have a different type of sight problems, like far away objects are not available and near away objects are available, how can you make a lens or a spectacle? It is the machine only.
But on the other hand, technology is leading to disasters of everything.
We are not talking about technology. We are talking about a machine.
Machine also made by technology also.
Machine is not made by technology, but by different types of mechanical instruments it is made.
But not only creates the technology.
That's why we are talking about comfortability of man. Man makes a machine for the comfortability of his life.
Man can live without technology also.
Man cannot live without machine.
But many things cannot be done without machine. Example for the rice you are eating is totally done with the
But
machine.
without creative thinking of man, no technology is nothing here.
Okay, machine can do many works.
Then one machine was equal to 100 peoples of work.
The dress you are wearing is also made by a machine, not by a single man.
But
And
when
many
you
works
say
that
that-
can be by removing of total building is done by machines only, not by man.
These are all created by man only.
Man comfortability to use this created.
To reduce the main type, man using machine.
By hard work we can do anything.
By hard work you can do anything. By hard work you can come to college by walking from 40 kilometers away. Can you? It is impossible. That's why machine is made for transport travel from one place to another place.
But in olden days, our foreign.
Yeah, it is olden days. It is olden days. Those olden days have gone. If you do not cope up with time, and then time will not wait for you. It will run away. And if you don't do correct thing at correct times, then you lost the bet over here in this life.
Technology was invented by man only. So
So it is invented by man, but for compatibility of man. Why are you blaming the technology? It's not technology, it's machine. The machine should not be blamed, because the machine had made a lot of work easier for man. If we take a ceiling fan, before in the olden days we were used in our ancestors used to live in a open place where there was a danger for many snakes and many wild animals to come to.
But sometimes machines also do the mistakes.
But we can save the people by the machines. For example, with the farm. But before we coming, we know by technology. But technology, how can we technology by machines only?
Yes, your answer is right, but sometimes your mobile is lost, but lot of numbers your mind put into.
But we use so many machines like computer systems. We can easily calculate anything.
Yes, if a machine gets damaged, what we think?
We depend on the machine.
How long we can depend on the other machines?
Man is already depending on machines.
No. How can we tell in man versus wild? A man was fallen in a forest. Without help of any machine, he will survive and
But
coming
it is
out.
not a theory, it is not a practical. For example,
in Robo, like an example like Robo, man was created the Robo. Without creating the man, how can a Robo will be work?
yes,
Man given the set of instructions.
Cell phone is a machine.
Yes.
It has so many adverse effects.
It also has some advantages.
It has some advantages, but it has so many disadvantages. Radiation is the main cause.
For instance, purposes of
Yes,
transfer of
yes, transfer of messages that we can send from any other place we have.
can you send?
We can send
Without
immediately. In the olden days, what we have.
Within delay of.
Yes, it takes some time, but the radiation is affects more than.
For instance, purposes of traveling also we will use machines.
Yes, but it has more disadvantages.
Louder. Speak louder, man.
Radiation of some extent does not got anything.
But they are causing many health disasters.
What can we?
Yes, human brain is affecting. Yes, due to the machines, due to the radiations. That is due to human errors only. But it causes that is due to machines, no? Yes or not?
The minute error is from humans.
and just useful in machines. But so many people are depending on the machines. Examples. So human beings are finished our company, more machines less people.
In that way, machines are running.
Machines are running, but sometimes loss of many people's jobs.
No jobs and less salary.
We have to scale the only for human.
The problem is made by machines.
More machines, less people. More machines. Example, if any smart company, more machines, less people.
Then the jobs are getting also. Employment will be increased.
People's also decreases.
Why people will decrease?
Machines also.
Machines increase, people decrease. Population is
Companies are
increasing.
used to machines. So employments are
The single
decreasing.
bank is gone.
Okay, I'll take the example of Robo. You have watched Robo tonight. In that, for no other instructions, what the Robo did.
That's
It is
it was
an example, not in
That's
real.
a better way, right or not?
What? It is actually not happen if we take him with so many advantages of it.
it's mistake done by a human.
Yes.
No.
Only man can know for his comfort.
Technology for his use.
Man can get only comfort for his comfort, but he creates a machines and technologies. Without technology, we can't figure out. But now, and also machines also.
For example, we have sure
Yes.
right? We have technology.
These are the
capabilities.
machine.
Yes, but due to the technology, there is a lot of poverty in our country, and there is a lot of unemployment problem.
To operate a machine also, it needs some manual.
Not okay, right?
But we use the machines also.
Therefore,
So
man, therefore technology and technology also depends on man.
The technology is not a matter, we are talking about machines.
It is on technology or technology only.
Machines is not about technology. Machines is about the the mechanical work. Okay, machines are run through human manpower. You have said that adverse effects are done through RFM. There are so many adverse effects of machines, but adverse effects are causing due to the humans only. Human errors only, because humans are going for more profit at the cheaper cost.
Cheaper cost, they are
No one
building-
will get. God also, if God come to earth, He cannot also fulfill the human greedy needs. So
But to create innovative
you are accepting what we are telling, that creating innovatively man is doing some kind of work. But how can he blame a machine? A man is to be blamed. If he has made a machine, then he has to make a certain purpose for what he is made a machine. For a certain purpose he has made a machine. He should not use the particular machine for another purposes. If he had made a machine to such as cars, if we are making the car to run, then there should not be 6 people as the government has stated. But we are overloading. Why? Because of human error, another human error. So there is no
limits and making the machines.
There is no machine error. There is only human error. So machine is always right. Man is always
How can you say that machine is always right?
because machine is always right, because a man has designed a machine, so he knows how the machine works. Okay, so how the machine works he knows. So if the machine has done some if it had breakdown, such as car, when extent amount of heat is supplied to the car, then it will automatically break down. Why? Because not having proper regular checks by the man makes the machine to process through the problems.
How can we decide that in manufacturing also any?
Yeah, in manufacturing, who is manufacturing? Man is only manufacturing. Machine itself cannot manufacture itself. It is not self-made, it is made by man.
As we agree, but environmental situations also depends on the
Environmental, that's why I said that a particular machine is made only for particular work. No, all machines do not suit a particular work.